Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox another kit for Mermaids and Magic. Now, I don't know if I'll get to both of these. I'll probably get to both of them. I don't know if I will finish both of them. I've already unboxed my first mermaid, which was from Diamond Art Club. This is one from Dreamer Designs, and this will only be my third Dreamer Designs kit. I did one called Cottage on the Water, which was a very large landscape one, and then I did my Penguin Trio, which you guys have seen recently. And then this one is entitled Patience from Regan Kubicek, and this is one that I bought during Black Friday during their sale, and I bought it specifically so that I could do Mermaids and Magic, and I had you guys vote. The other one, Phoebe and Beauregard, won out, so that's the one I'm doing first. But I still want to do this one. This one is also on my artist series list. So there we go. It is in this lovely bag. So let's see what all I get. So it's this nice branded bag. So here is the canvas, and it is wrapped around a little foam core roller. There is the toolkit, and then all of the drills. Okay, let me get this bag out of the way. Okay, let's look in our toolkit first and see what we get. I love their toolkits. They're so soft. They've got their little brand on them, but I love them. They're so soft. I use them in my random acts of kindness as I get them, so I can send them out to people because I like them so much. Okay, so let's see what we get in here. Ooh, more goodies, more goodies, more goodies. Okay, so we get 2 Dreamer Designs branded little trays. Woo, I'm dropping everything today. So 2 trays. We get a bag of baggies. So if you like baggies, there are those. We get their branded tweezers, which I like these. They're nice and sharp. Those are the ones I like. We get 2 pins. You get the regular tip, and then this one, you do put wax in this one, but this one is for ABs, along with 2 scrunchies, and then we get multi-placers. So you get a 3 and a 6 and then a straightener. So all of those fancy things to go with your pin, and then of course you get 2 branded little containers of wax, and there is a plate of wax in each. So 2 plates of the circular wax. All right, so nice fancy toolkit, love that. Then we're going to unwrap our canvas here and look at it. Get the lovely little ribbon off. I'm going to roll it the other direction so that I can show you guys what she looks like. This one is not a huge kit. Ooh, and there's my stickers. Uh-oh, why are they stuck? There we go. Okay. Whew. And there's our instructions. So let me pull those out of there. And our little foam core. So let me roll this the other way because it was rolled up so tight. So you can see you get the little foam core roller. I usually hang on to those just because I can roll other stuff around them. And then this is stuck again. I think it's taped, it's just stuck for some reason. Okay, so here we have all of our little stickers for the containers. They are not cut, and they are kind of large, so I think what I probably will do is I will cut off the number here and just leave the symbol and the DMC code, because that's all I really need anyway, and then they'll fit on whatever container I want to use. I'm going to do the same thing with these. I'm going to roll them the other direction, see if I can get them to lay a little bit flatter. All right, so now it's a little bit flatter. Okay, so there's the stickers, and then of course instructions. I don't ever use those, so those will just get recycled. And then let's look at our canvas here. So this is a 40 by 60. As you can see up here at the top. So 15.7 inches by 23.6 inches. It's called Patience from Regan Kubicek. Regan, not sure how she says it. Now, I've only done a couple of other Dreamer designs, but I will say they're very much like Diamond Art Club for me in a lot of ways. This is a square kit, as you can see by the drills. The symbols are nice and big and clear. It has the DMC codes. So yeah, and it's just this cute little mermaid. She's like resting. There's this hill behind her. She's got some sort of flowers. It sort of looks like holly in her hair. And then holding a little jellyfish, and she's all in purple, sitting on like this little outcropping out in the stream or something. The symbols all look nice and clear. It is nice and sticky. And again, Dreamer Designs does theirs a little bit differently. There's like a 1/4 inch around each painting where there are no symbols. I like that because when you go to frame something, typically that 1/4 inch will be covered when you frame it. So I always have to add in a 1/4 inch on each side to make sure that, because I want all of my drills to show. I don't want to have to cut off any of my drills. Because they add this little 1/4 of an inch on each side, then I don't have to worry about that. All of my drills should be exposed when I frame it. So we have 54 colors. We do have a schematic on both sides, one at the top and one at the bottom. Let's just get into drills. Everything looks really nice and clear. Dreamer Designs uses that same black symbol with the white dot that Diamond Art Club uses for black. I don't think any of the other symbols are the same, but it's nice between those two companies that I always know that that symbol is going to be black. So there's the canvas. Oh, let me measure it because it says it's 40 by 60. And I'm just going to measure where the drills would go. I'm not going to include that little space on the end. So it is right at 40 by, let me turn it this way so I can make sure I'm measuring the whole thing. By, it's actually a little over 60. It's maybe 1 millimeter over 60. So 40 by 60 is the actual drill field size. So that's good to know. And I really like Dreamer Designs, so we'll see how this goes. And my other mermaid kit is a round. This one is going to be a square. So let me move her down so you guys can see her cute face. And then let's get into our drills here. Okay, there's our drills. Oof, there's a lot of them. And I see quite a bit of 310s. So let's look at these and see what we get. Okay, here's our first string. So we get this pretty kind of bubblegum purplish pink color. There's a coral, like a dark coral, and then a lighter coral. We get a purple, kind of a turquoise, a pale turquoise, a tan, kind of a caramel color, a peach, another purple, and a light blue. Okay, so there's that strand. And then we get, pull them off one at a time here. Okay, so we get 2 browns. These are kind of reddish browns. There's a dark one and then a lighter one. Another kind of tan caramel color. An orange. A very dark olive green. Dark brown. There's a 2 turquoise, a regular turquoise and then a light turquoise. Another pale blue and another dark brown. And then we get another blue, kind of a light violet, another darkish orangish brown, a pale tan, a less pale tan, a dark purple. Are those the same color? Yes. So 2 bags of this dark purple, a light purple, a pink, and then a bright pink. I like this bright pink color. And then we get 2 different shades of green. We've got just a green and then a dark green. We've got a brown, a very like pale mint green, a pale peach, kind of an orangish peach, a mulberry color, a couple more greens, like a spring green, and then a bit of dark green and a red. And then we have a short strand here. We get a couple more turquoise, a lighter one and a darker one. Some more of those kind of reddish browns. That's almost a dark red brown. A brown. It's like a light, like almost a mocha color. A tan. Ooh, and there's a white AB. So we have at least one AB. And then our last string of drills here, we get a light purple, a very light purple, another kind of mocha color, and then we get 3 bags of 310, which isn't terrible given that most of it is outlined. So 3 bags is not a ton. A dark blue, a very dark forest green, a blue, and then a dark purple. Tons of colors, 54. We've got only one AB that was included with the kit, which is the white AB, making all kinds of noise with the drills here. Okay, I'm not going to try and put them away. I'm just going to leave them at that. So we've got one AB, which is the white AB, and that is an O. So it is sprinkled through here in this tree, sprinkled a bit over here. There's one each in the whites of her eyes. There's some here in the little berries. There's some here behind her head. I think, though, that I'm definitely going to go through my list now that I have one, because I did make my list of ABs the other day, and see what other ABs I have that I could possibly add in. Or maybe even some crystals, because that might be pretty as well. If I have some, I do have some square crystal rhinestones that I bought from Shimmering Canvases eons ago that I've never used. So maybe I will break those out and see where I can stick those in as well. There you go. My 3rd Dreamer designs. As always, I will put a link in the description box below so you can check this out as well as anything else that might catch your fancy. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.